be king, you know. So we just bought. I don't know what it's.
The bigger, blacker, the. I would say the bigger, better box. I was thinking Cards Against Humanity. I'm sorry.
This box right here, it comes with a play mat.
So cool.
Yeah,
Just let me just touch him in the nipples. Nipple. I mean nothing.
So is this Gogeta or Vegeta?
That's Gogeta.
Gogeta?
When he looks like this is Gogeta.
Okay, so I got
and then
1, 2,
Vegeta.
3.
Yeah, Vegeta is the cocky motherfucker that fought Goku Black.
Okay.
Because Vegeta was the first one to go Super Saiyan Blue, and Gogeta was the last fusion. Because Gogeta, Goku's in control. Vegeta's in control because cocky attitude.
So yeah, this is the mat we got. It has my 1 liter Frieza. Got my girlfriend's liter. Super 17. Also got my girlfriend's little sister liter.
Gogeta.
Yeah, Gogeta.
All I gotta do is remember the outfit. If it's the
so
jacket, it's Gogeta.
Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 4, 6.
Yo, he's got 2 fucking Shinra packs though.
8.
Got that Ultra Instinct and Frieza deck. Yo, I could probably have something that can help me out with my GT deck.
Alright, so start opening packs and stuff. We're gonna design 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, Brandon, pick 1 out of 4.
1 out of 4?
Yeah.
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, so we should get at least 30
lights? Alright.
Probably 20 or 30 lights. And whatever comes in this pack.
We'll make a deck out of it?
What?
We'll make a deck out of it?
No, do a giveaway.
Oh, giveaway. Alright, I like that. Alright, so if we get 20, 30 likes, guys, giveaway. Got a giveaway right there.
Or comment down below your favorite character.
There we go.
Dragonball, or whatever, interact with the fans and stuff.
Yeah.
But
you need to comment below your favorite character and,
put that to the side. Do that, right? So, do you think we should open up what they get? Or?
I say keep it a surprise.
Or
so
just wait till the last.
Yeah, I'll save it for last.
Okay.
See what they got.
We're going to put this to the side. Alright, yes. So now the first pack. We're going to go with the big monkey. Pop that open real quick. I don't know. Oh! Planet Vegeta?
Hold on, I just want to... Thank you.
Alright, my bad.
Alright.
Planet Vegeta?
Don't you need that for the King Vegeta deck? Wait, is that the field or no?
Yeah, it's a field.
That is a field.
Yeah. But I can also use it for Saiyans. So,
alright.
Power Absorbent Loot. I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's for Absorption deck?
I think so. Yeah. Sangoku.
Sangoku?
As a leader. Never heard of that one.
Huh. Hold on. Oh, wow. Is that a GT Goku? Nope, that's childhood.
Oh, childhood? Okay.
Yeah, that's not GT.
So we got Android 15. Just saying.
Is it because he's purple?
Kiboto or some shit.
Oh yeah, the guy that teamed up with the Elder Kai of the East.
Yeah, so we got Speed.
Trucker hat. Look at his tactical hat.
Alright. We got Mega Cannon. I don't know what's.
I wonder if that's for. Let me see.
I think it's.
It's Machine Mutant. So it's for someone.
So we got Grand Space Tour. We got a Bardock, which is good.
Alright, hold on, because there's a glare, so I'm just gonna maybe move
Hera, Haru, or whatever. Margin attack.
Alright. Hey, that guy's good.
Oh, we got.
Is that a buffed up Boo?
Yeah, buffed up Boo.
That's a buffed up Boo right there.
It says evolve from South Kai.
Alright, hold on. I'm just gonna spread these out, because there's a little glare on some of them. So that was in the first pack, guys. Boom.
I really think that we keep recording that all the time.
I got it. Well, no, because this is almost out of space, though.
So we got Mira.
If you don't play Xenoverse. Oh, that's a lead. I didn't know that was the leader.
Yeah.
Yo.
We got 10 times Kamea Wave.
City
Patrol, Sandman.
Got that
look,
pan.
Another pan.
Hey, another pan.
For your deck. Oh, this is banned.
Yeah, I saw that one because I was like, hey, we have Tapion cards. One of them's banned. Sorry, Connor.
Sneak Attack Vegeta. Okay. Saiyan daughter Bola.
Wait, they had another kid?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Well, you know.
Carry Mother Fidel.
Yeah. Sacrifice.
Dodge. Nah, first thing that comes to mind is,
Mr.
hey, I have that boo.
Heavenly Wizard Demira and Sun Gohan. I already got this one. I already got like.
I had to switch to
two or
your
three.
phone. Jeez. I was gonna say wouldn't that work for Venom's deck, but
Yeah.
I don't think does he have yellow cards in his deck?
Yeah, he has the Super Saiyan 4 Goku leader.
Ah, gotcha.
We got Dark Kamea Wave.
Oh, with the Mila.
Vow Revenge. Sun Gohan. Another Toa. Planet Namek.
Is Namek for a Namekian deck?
I think so.
Alright.
Sun Gohan. I don't know what this one is. Probably Lord Slug deck. Sneak Attack Goku.
Another
Sacrifice
sacrifice.
again. Explorer Bulma. Heavenly Wizard
And
Demima.
what's that one?
And a
Ooh.
Bardock. Awesome.
This Super
good.
Saiyan Bardock.
Yeah.
He's a shiny boy.
Awesome.
He's a shiny boy.
It'll go good in my Hatchy Act. Because it's black.
Yeah.
So,
You know what I feel like we should do though for the giveaway? We shouldn't open it. Like we should keep it a surprise for the winner of the giveaway and like have them make a video or post a picture of the cards they won. You know what I mean? Like more interaction with the
just
fan.
open it.
Well, why ruin the surprise? True.
Sun Gohan.
I said oh, jeez. Another Gohan leader. I
Yeah.
just caught that.
Maya. Mio, whatever.
Piccolo's father.
Yeah, Piccolo's father, Son Gohan. I mean, Goku. I keep saying Son Gohan.
Actually, I
This
said
guy-
Gohan too. I kind of
this
tripped
guy.
you up.
Call
Call
of
to justice.
Battle of the Past, Ginyu.
Oh yeah, Kid You Frog. I remember that.
Sneak Attack. Nappa. Ooh.
Who's that?
Grandfather
That's
Gohan.
to the rescue.
Yeah.
Ooh. What's that? Super
Spirit
Saiyan
Search. Yeah, Spirit
Trunks.
Search. SS Trunks.
Alright. More shiny boys.
So really high rarity cards.
Like when I was doing the opening.
Right.
Oh, we got Kami.
Kami, a Namekian.
I feel like this is just solely Namekians. Like, I'm calling it right now. We're already down
Piccolo.
3.
Special being kind of.
Chi-Chi, do you love me?
Blazing Spirit, Son Goku.
Dimensional Support
Trunks. Deadly Ape.
Wait, hold on. Oh, that's GT Gohan too. That's not
Yeah.
childhood Gohan.
And Goku Lineage. Oh,
Right.
that's dope.
So that's double Go. Oh, wow.
There.
Dark
This
Vessel.
one.
Hold on. Let me see the bottom. Demon Clan. Oh, King Piccolo.
Raging. That's Goten Super Saiyan 3.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, wait, is that a leader?
Yeah.
Oh, we got
Baby.
a baby leader. I don't mean to
I
zoom
highly
in,
doubt
but,
that
man.
it's going to be useful.
I mean,
Not the meta really don't. I don't think the meta really use that card.
Alright, so this is
So Janemba card. Oolong. Oh,
Inferior Message.
Yeah, that's good.
Dragon Ball Seeker Bulma.
Yeah. Frieza Revenge. Got a lot of those. This guy.
Super Saiyan Vegeta.
Yeah.
Got that Kami again.
Kami.
Child Wish banned.
Damn.
Bam! Beat
Frieza
gone.
again. Oh, full surveillance. Chaco.
I'm waiting for and then
Ghost.
Oh, that's Gotenks, the
Yeah.
fusion.
Yeah.
Still waiting for the objection. Never seen that yet.
What, objections?
Yeah, in openings.
Uh,
Well, only when you played it in
yeah, in my Android
deck,
21.
yes.
We got a Boo card. It's pretty much active main.
Hidden Power Grade 8.
Yeah. Grade 8 Fasha. I think that's the girl from Bardock's team
Huh.
that died from in the movie.
Did not know that.
Trunks.
Planet
Oh,
M2.
M2, I needed
What's M2 for?
M2 is for Bulma.
Oh, gotcha.
Super players.
Yeah.
Hashtag check them out too.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description below.
He used it in his Bulma deck.
Pint-sized Goku, love his
Pint-sized
effect.
Goku. There.
Commando Nazi. West. No, that's actually the name. Commando Nazi. If you go.
Android
Yeah.
19.
19?
Oh yeah, he was like, do androids
Field does not compute. Let's fix that.
There and
Oh, that's so shiny.
and Robot Jiru, and then
I might want to use that Jiru.
Rising
Super Saiyan 2
says-
Son Goku and his GT.
and it's it's
Yeah,
GT.
the Gyro and Goku was
So there we
GT.
go. We're just gonna put that because Jiru is shiny and stuff. All right.
Hold on. I might want to. I might want to find a way to put that in the
Nah.
GT deck.
For the giveaway.
All right, giveaway.
I need the money.
Yeah, let's see what we're gonna get our viewers.
I swear, I'll get mad if they get a SCR.
If they get all the rare ones.
Really? Oh. Savage.
Flip it around. All right, who's that? Hold on.
Savage.
Focus, you piece of. Thank you. All right. Savage, whatever the flip that guy's name is.
Yeah. Oh, it's a Frieza army too. Oh, I didn't know
Alright.
that.
Hold on. Oh.
East Kai.
Alright.
Tiny Warrior Son Goku.
Ooh.
And it's a
Is he a... Oh, he's a leader.
Pilaf.
Oh,
It's a Pilaf
and then
leader.
Wait. Flip it over again?
I mean, you can read it when like.
Oh,
after
that's...
the
No, I
video.
was looking at the sign, because that's a GT, because that's when he wished him as a child.
Yeah.
Another
King
Piccolo
Piccolo.
father.
A West Kai. Super Saiyan Blue Son Goku.
Damn, you guys are getting a good one.
Yeah.
Another...
Another Super
Goku.
Saiyan, a regular Goku. Personal Ambition. North Kai.
If I keep moving the phone, I
Spike
apologize,
of the
guys.
Rescue. And a Deadly Defender.
Alright.
Frieza.
So yeah, so all you gotta do, guys, to win this pack is, 20, 30 likes on a video on this video. Comment below your favorite Dragon Ball Super character, and
I'm
yeah,
gonna say Super. There's more.
just Dragon Ball in general. Just in general, your favorite Dragon Ball character, and you have a chance to win.
And sadly, it wasn't as good as
the box that I got.
the box. Yeah. Not
Check
like the
out
newer stuff.
because this is gonna be a separate video. Check that out in my channel down below.
I think with the.
I think you did good
Miraculous
though.
Revival
I mean,
and stuff. It's
you
not.
got some good ones here.
I literally think the box was like $30.
Yeah.
Just because of the mag, probably. Give or take.
Still got good ones.
I mean, plus the packs.
Yeah.
Like $3 a piece.
True. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. You're gonna do a send-off video, my dude.
Alright, this is King signing out.